If you need to cancel your Robinhood subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your subscription. Step 3. Navigate to subscription settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the option for subscription or account. Select this option to view account subscription details. Step 4. Select cancel subscription. Within the subscription settings, look for the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may need to provide a reason for the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to check your email for any further instructions or confirmation details. Once you have completed these steps, your Robinhood subscription will be cancelled. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance.